Okay, real quick, just in case you're wondering what this is going to be my little conduit for running all of my wiring to my editing suite, because the booth that I'm building is going to be just for voiceover, and I'm going to be doing most of my editing outside of the booth. And it's just some PVC piping with a couple of 90s on it. All right, electrical is all but done. I don't do electrical because that's dangerous as get out. So I hired a professional and he did it, and it's awesome. So I'll just give you a quick little once over on how that looks. We've got switch for the lights, electrical down here, and electrical up there for behind the monitor. And then he ran some wires. For lighting, and that's it. And it's done, and it's safe, and it's professional, so that's all we really care about. Electrical, hire a professional for that. Honestly, I wouldn't mess around with it. It's far too dangerous. Worry about doing voiceover, and worry less about learning how to do electrical. Insulation. 2 walls, double the insulation. The stuff that I bought is called Safe and Sound. Rock wool, Safe and Sound. It's in most places. But we're doubling them up on the double walls, so we get some extra protection. Also doubled up on the ceiling. And that's what we're gonna get going with now. Here we go. Now I want to show you what I sort of did with my construction, is because I built it on existing construction and I built it away from the wall using the baseboards as a gap, so that when I push all of the insulation on the back wall, you'll see a nice little air gap in there. So that between the back wall insulation and the front wall insulation, this one here, there's going to be a nice little air gap in there. If you can space things out, it is super, super effective in helping to deaden the sound from one wall, whatever happening on the outside, to the inside.